Hi, it's Karim Ramzullah. Welcome to Trade Talk Tuesday. Today, Brian is on the hot seat. I'm going to give him 60 seconds to answer some questions that he thinks he might know what I'm going to ask him, but he really doesn't. So let's get at it.
Before we even begin, can we give Karim the gold star of achievement? Because Ford is up 14% since last week. So there you go. Kudos to you.
Where's Tesla?
Down. Yep.
Along with Bitcoin, right?
Yeah. All right. Well, look at run this thing. Keep this going.
Not over yet. Okay. So let me ask you your hot seat questions. I know you like looking at stocks, not just trading them, not just options, but also the stocks themselves. So tell me, what is your most undervalued pick and what's your most overvalued pick?
Okay, easy. Start the clock. Overvalued, I believe, is DoorDash. All right. This is a $60 billion valuation on a company.
These guys make doors, right?
No, they basically charge lazy people a 20% premium to deliver them cold fries, right? Like, I don't get it, right? The pandemic is over. People are going outside now. Like, the ability to have food delivered to your doorstep, I think is kind of gonna like at least reduce in demand a little bit. And like, they've got Uber Eats as competition, they've got Grubhub as competition. They're not the only game in town. There's no reason why DoorDash should have a $60 billion valuation. I think they're the overvalued one. Undervalued, I think. I've been talking about this in the war room. I'm calling Live Nation my slingshot stock, because I think as we get back from the pandemic, as we start going to concerts again, Live Nation is going to slingshot back up to where it was pre-pandemic levels and then continue going even higher from there. It's going to be a $100 stock before you know it. That's my undervalued stock.
I can't wait to see you go into a concert with no mask, sitting next to somebody who's coughing all over you.
You'll be the one next to me coughing.
Okay, but before you think you're getting off that easy, there is another question I have for you, okay?
Bring it.
Okay. So, I know that you follow cryptos, right? You follow Bitcoin, you follow Doge, all this kind of stuff, right?
Yeah.
So the question I have for you is, which one do you think is going to go to $100,000 tomorrow? No, I'm just kidding. So the question I have for you is, can you read crypto charts the same way you read stock charts?
I don't think so, right? Like, I think the answer is absolutely not, because actually it's a good question. My biggest issue with anything crypto related is that it's not a two-way market, right? Like, you're going with crypto, you're on the Autobahn with no speed limit, going 1,000 miles per hour, but you can only go in one direction. There's no way to play a crypto lower. Like, you can't buy put options on Dogecoin, for example. For that reason, like, you and I are traders. We want to play markets up. We want to play markets down using calls and puts. Can't do that in the crypto market. And for that reason, reading a crypto chart is not the same as reading a stock chart, because it's not a two-way market. So that would, for me, like, I wouldn't trust being able to read that chart, because even if it's totally overvalued, there's no way someone can say, I want to profit as these coins are going down. And that's why I don't think, at least not yet, stock charts equate to a crypto chart.
All right, it's a good answer. It's important to clarify that, because people might be looking at crypto charts thinking, oh yeah, here's technical, all these different points, but it's a one-way street.
Yeah, and the thing with crypto too is, like, everyone's argument is it's got scarce value. There's only a limited supply of these coins, which then makes them valuable. But we've been saying, just because something is scarce doesn't necessarily mean it's valuable. Like, I could dig into my belly button and pull out a piece of belly button lint. It's the only piece of belly button lint from my belly button in the entire world. It's scarce. It's very scarce. But does that make it valuable? Of course not. I mean, if you want to send me $10,000 for my belly button lint piece here, go ahead. But just because something is scarce does not make it necessarily valuable. And that's kind of been our issue with crypto for quite a long time.
Okay, so before Brian pulls something else out, let's go ahead and end this session with the hot seat for Trade Talk Tuesday. Until next time, I'm Karim Ramzullah.
See you guys.